appointments, I see my email, all the messages, and I don't have to unlock the device to understand what I need to do and what I need to focus on. Unlocking the device is as easy as swiping my finger, and you see here the reimagined log-on screen. Windows 8 will support traditional passwords, but additional, a cool, new, convenient way to log on through picture passwords. Picture passwords is optional. As an IT organization, you can decide that you don't use it through policies, but certainly in a mobile scenario, you can imagine that this is a very convenient way to log on. To help you see what I'm doing on this device, I turned on touch points, and you can see I have to connect the noses of my kids and poke the eye of the cheetah, and I unlock my device. And I'm now in the start screen. And you see how fluid and fast this experience is. The start screen is the place, as a user of this tablet, where I go to find and launch all my apps. Just like the Windows 7 start menu. You see that I have my business apps here, but also my personal apps. And also my favorite content and my favorite people, which show how I communicate. The start screen in Windows 8 is not static, it's dynamic. The tiles here are alive and dynamic and show information continuously, up to date, that is important for me. I often don't even have to start the app to make sure that I understand what I need to do, or if there's an action here that I need to take. Just like Windows 8, the start screen is very customizable to my personal preferences. I can change the background color, I can change the apps that are showing up here. I can change the sequence of apps. It's easy for me to take an app and move it over. And I also can easily zoom out and show me all the groups here, and even regroup the different apps across the start screen. Very easy for me to use. Like a lot of you, what I will do in the morning when I start my PC or I start my workday is that I want to be updated on the latest news. So for that purpose, I pinned the Bloomberg site here on my start screen. And when I touch this tile, I automatically start up IE10 and go to the Bloomberg website. IE10 is an example of a new Metro-style app. And what you will see is that these apps are immersive, they are touch-first and very rich. The operating system goes out of its way to make sure that you as a user get maximum attention and the full interaction with the application. Browsing through the site is as easy as using your finger. And if I see an article that I'm interested in, I can just touch it. I can zoom in very easily, and you see that the text stays very crisp and sharp. And one of my favorite features of IE10 is that while I'm browsing through different articles and I'm navigating this site, it's very easy for me to move forward and backwards. By just swiping the screen, I'm navigating through this experience. IE10 is one example of a Metro-style app. And what I'd like to show you is some other Metro-style apps to give you a flavor of the innovation and the experiences that we can deliver. I go back to the start screen, and one thing that I really like about Windows 8 is that wherever I am in my experience, wherever I'm doing, the operating system is only one swipe away. I can always swipe from the right-hand side, and what shows up is a bar with the Windows 8 charms. And these are key operating system functions like search, share, settings, but also the start menu. So it's very easy for me to get back to the start menu and start new apps. Let me show you another example of a Metro-style app. This is an example of Microsoft Dynamics. Microsoft Dynamics is a business app and a great example of the richness of information that a Metro-style business app can display to its user. In this case, if I'm a person using this application, all the information that is important for me is displayed at my fingertips. I can show you another example of an app here. This is a Bing Finance app showing me the latest information on the financial markets. As I'm traveling, I like to understand what currencies are doing and what my dollars is worth here in Europe. And last but not least, I also want to understand the temperature in Hanover as I'm traveling. And you can see it's 36 degrees here outside. I just want to assure you that you're not missing a beautiful summer day here. This is Fahrenheit, not Celsius. Now I have started a number of Metro-style apps. It's very easy for me to navigate between them. I can just swipe on the left-hand side and bring in the different Metro-style apps. And we wanted to make it even more easy for somebody to navigate Windows 8. And that is if I swipe in and forward backwards, very fast, you'll see that I see my latest 6 Metro apps here in the left-hand side of my screen. And it's very easy for me now to navigate back to the Bing Financial app. So we are very excited about Metro. And we think that this will spark a lot of innovation in the industry and give opportunities for developers, ISVs, but also for our business customers to develop new innovative experiences for their employees, but also for their customers.